Red Teaming 101, Part 5. We are doing Monteverde from HackTheBox. So it's a medium Windows box. So we're gonna be starting here about how we can connect clouds and how we can actually use it on our AD Pentaz. So that's gonna be great. So let's just jump in. So we have an IP address. So let's do here a map scan, and then we can understand what we can go here, the web server or just SMB enumeration or something like that. We are just seeing here there's the SMB ports are open, and there's also DNS. So let's start here SMB enumeration. So you'll know we are using here SMB enumeration OXTF Chichi. So let's start here sublime tags node.txt, and yep, I think that's great. Let's go. Okay, we're generally using here SMB enumeration Chichi as over there. Let's start with netexec SMB, and let's give IP addresses. Then it's going to be giving us some information about two machines over there. So domain name, and the domain is over here megabank.locale, and the domain name is Monteverde. So let's grab it here, which is great. And we also have here nxz smb and -u and -p, which is if we have an access to with the guest user, or if we can have an access and without user and a password, and it's look like not possible, right? So first of all, let's add Monteverde and megabank.locale at our etc and host file directly. Let's go here. We add the host, and gonna be giving here IP addresses. Alright, so I think we did here something wrong, right? And let's give this IP address first. Okay, so it's calling here Monteverde for domain name and megabank.locale for the domain controller. So let's start here nxzsmb again, and we know there is no any user we haven't access yet. So there's no shares we have access. So then after that's all, then we know we can actually visiting here rpcclient for use it. So I'm just giving here the access and the -u as it goes, and now looking for the rpcclient Chichi is over here. Then we can use it here. Hacking articles is over there. So why is rpcclient and how we can actually use it. So let's start rpcclient. We're just gonna be use it like that. We just need to be change it with IP addresses. It's like that. So we have now in to rpcclient, and let's checking for query domain info, and we got it here megabank. There's a total user and other things. So let's checking for enum users here, and we are getting here the username list like mhope, SABatchJobs, services ATA, and bexec, netapp, or and others. There's another important things you may want to be check query dsp info. It's from enum users commands, but it was possible to option users to domain as well as RID. So maybe we can grab some information like a password or something like that is over here, but it looks like not possible. So then let's grab the username list, and let's checking for if some users use his username as password. Let's copy that. We rpc users.txt and the cat rpc users.txt. We are trying to be creating here username list, and we don't want to be use the colon, the parentheses, or something like that. So we just need to be uses get rpc users.txt and remove colon, parentheses, and this parenthesis, and print the first data is over here, and the cat users.txt. Now we have username is over here. That's fine. That's great. All right. So we can also use it here nxzsmb dash the for which one you used before IP addresses, or you can directly give in here Monteverde, it's not important. Users.txt and users.txt again, but it's gonna be brute forcing the one username for to other username. For example, gas and AAD and gas and hope and gas, SABatchJobs and gas, but we don't know any. We don't want to do it. It's because we are just looking for if some user uses usernames for his password, right? So we just want to be looking it, so we can use --no brute force, and it's just gonna be try user and user. So it's how it's actually work. So then maybe we have an access here someone where's wrong, why it's not work. Okay, it's actually work. Then we are getting here to the first things is SABatchJobs uses usernames as password. So let's checking for if it's actually work for WinRM. Maybe we have an access WinRM right now. I can access here and plot on data or something like that, and then maybe it's will be a great idea to us. The first of all, but it's look like not possible, right? As there's no PS remote maybe, or it's not using his password as usernames, right? So let's check SMB client -l looking for Monteverde. We are actually looking for -u and giving SABatchJobs, and I'm just trying to be giving here as the password. So we have here font Azure uploads, and do another things is users, and it's giving here the $sign. We can also check it with nxz SMB, and then shares we can add it here, and it will be listing for us the shares, which one we have an access, or we have just readable and writable or something like that, right? So let's using here --shares also. Then there's maybe we can do here something more clearly, and we will gonna be access and grabbing some files or upload it for grabbing something. So Azure uploads we have readable, and the users and it's readable also. So let's looking for SMB client Azure uploads first. Let's checking one what's going on here. Okay, giving this up for the password, and then last, and there is look like nothing here. So then we need to be go here users, but we just need to be now users and $sign. And if you're using here the $sign, you just need to be giving here quotation. So it will be maybe not here. Okay, giving here password. All right, so we are in and got it here. The gallons, mhope, reality, Morgan, or something important files is here. Let's go for the gallons first, and then let's go for if there's something, but there's nothing here. Go back and go for mhope, and giving here ls, and we got it here azure.xml. So let's actually download it, then exit. Cat azure.xml, and it's giving here something. It's look like we got it here the password. Is there any user? There look like no user yet, but we can use it, this password for here the which username has this password. Then we will get here new creates and can access here. Oh, we are also trying on WinRM, that's cool. So we are right now got it. So mhope using this password on WinRM, and then let's just use it on just giving here mhope and for this one. Okay, evil WinRM -i IP addresses, username, and the password. So the first of all, I always checking that users mhope, and then what is domain name and what's going on is here, and we got home directory, and there is something cool we are getting here, Azure admins, and we can go here right now, Azure admins. So it's about how this video is going on here, right? So then we are just looking for Azure admins and what this can do. So this is just important this about this video. It's Azure admins. So I'm gonna be go here, Azure AD introduction. There's something like Azure AD for rat teamers. It was somewhere the blog post. Yeah, it's inactive, and XP and InfoSec blog can check it for. So there's actually teaching us something to how we can play with if you are Azure admins, and which is cool, and it's gonna be showing us something important idea and some PowerShell file, so we can actually use it. So let me scroll down here. Okay. Gonna be somewhere we can find something, I think. So does it look like doing here get and backdooring here? So there's somewhere they're using connect Azure AD and get Azure AD applications or something like that is over here, and you can see like that. But I wonder which PowerShell file they are actually use it, and they can available to be used this commands, because we have to be import something, and then after we did it here, so then we can use connect Azure AD and get Azure AD application, or get Azure AD principal filter display name, something like that, right? So that means we have to be learn something and which they are actually using. For this one, we just need to be go here. We can also check it this blog. This is also awesome, and this PowerShell file will gonna be give you directly administrator shell. I'm not gonna lie, right? Or it's definitely will give you here after you're running here Azure AD create POC and PowerShell 1, you will be getting here username and password. So if you want to try, so let's actually try it, and okay, so let me weave in raw, and let's see. But there's another cool tools you can do it, which is cool actually. So let's do here, we a.PowerShell 1, and let's upload it, and then let's run if we can get something cooler. A.PowerShell 1, and also we can check, I'm gonna be showing you right now, Azure AD Connect. So it's over there, which one they are actually using here for connecting database, something like that, for to be backdooring Azure AD. So we are uploading here the PowerShell 1 and just actually run it. Yeah, so I hope it's gonna be work and giving us some credential from Azure, because we are already on Azure admins. So which one we check it here, which are to be users. There's another cool things is over here. So we can connect Azure AD and grab here some username or something like that. So it's also showing us how we can actually use it. It's over there. We can check in here the example Azure AD Connect server and which IP address you want to be listening, and the -db and AD sense is over here. So it's look like not work, but I hope it's gonna be work. So let me actually download it. Here I think. Right. So let me go there. CP home Elliot downloads Azure AD Connect PowerShell 1. Then after we uploaded it here, right here, upload. Let me say ls Azure AD Connect at PowerShell 1. Let me upload first. then it's showing us how we can actually use it. So for example, if we need import first, or can we use it here directly? So if it's useful like that, then we can do here. The database is AD since we can give here the server, and for example, it's definitely is working on a local host, right? Then maybe we just need to be run Azure AD Connect .pub1. Okay, let me run. So for sure. So does it look like not working? We are not getting here any the password or database from database or something like that. So let me actually run it here again one more time. So maybe we just need to be run it like that. Azure AD Connect .PowerShell 1. Okay. Is not recognized. Yeah, but we can also run it. So it's about maybe about our shell or something like that. Let's see. Let me check it here again. Connect Azure AD. Can we do? Does it work? So it's not recognized yet. So that means we have to be using somewhere here. Let's see. So ADC and decrypt we saw. But there's some Python file which one we don't want to use it. And yeah, which one is I think is not cool to be used here. So is it maybe I think we can find something here. Maybe it's an exe file for decrypted it. So let's looking for something more cooler. Okay, can add Azure AD. So we just need to be connect database. So we got here project escalation also in VBS scrap. This plug post, it's about it, and then we can just actually use it here. Download link is over here. All right. So let's download it. I hope there's an exe file. That's fine. Okay. cp home elliot downloads ad decrypt.zip unzip ad decrypt.zip. So or ad decrypt.exe is over here also. Upload ad decrypt.exe, and then should we upload it here the other file? But I think so. Let's see. Let's upload mcrypt.dll. Upload encrypt.dll. So then just run here ad decrypt.exe. So when we just win a machine is already connect database on it, so giving you obvious we blurred actual password, but you get the idea. With no parameters will attempt. So it's actually showing us how we can use it. ad decrypt exe and -l full SQL. So let's run. It's look like that work, right? Let's run like that, maybe. But mcrypt DLL is over here. I don't know what's that mean. cdc, maybe we are running here wrongware. Looking for program files, maybe there is AD. Okay, Microsoft Azure here. AD sense, we can go. Gonna be running here, I mean. Okay, here, go for binary here. Okay, so there's some DLL and config file. Then I think we can run our file is over here. So let's do use as mhope documents AD, right, like that. I mean, so just give me like here, okay, let's try. All right, so we are got it here, and it does actually work. We just need to be run its own Microsoft Azure AD and the binary files, and get it here. The username is administrator and the password is something like that. So let's try if it's actually work. Evil WinRM, I'm giving here the password, and for username you can give administrator. Alright, that's great. Thank you for watching. That's all.